guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here to show you 4 DIYs that I made. 2 of them are inspired by 2 YouTubers that I follow and that I really love. They are so very creative, they are amazing. I'm going to leave the link to their channels in the description box. And I really encourage you to visit them because you will get a lot of inspiration, as I did. This first one is a recreation of something that Cindy from Monarch Mom DIYs made in her channel a few days ago. I love her version, but I had to use what I had in hand, and I had this frame. She used a much beautiful frame, but I had this one from Dollar Tree. It was black and I painted it in blue and I distressed it, and I bought one of those trash cans from Dollar Tree that are like this, and it's like chicken wire, but it's not chicken wire, and that's what I used, that's what she used, and I thought it was a wonderful idea. So I cut a piece of the trash can just with the regular scissors, and then I adhered it to the back with a lot of glue, hot glue, and then I used these eggs that I bought on eBay. I bought 10 for $3.12. And if you want to know the story of the failed attempts I made to speckle the eggs, watch my previous videos, because I explained there that I tried and I failed and I finally gave up. And this is what I got. I'm not pleased, but it's not a disaster anyways. So I made this wreath with the eggs. To make sure that it was round, I used a container that was exactly the circumference I needed, and I started placing the eggs, and once I had all of them in place, I started gluing them with the hot glue. Then I added this twine. First of all, I added this burlap ribbon because I thought I needed more eggs to make it bigger, the wreath. I didn't have more eggs, so this space and this space, I didn't like it. So I added this ribbon, and then I passed the twine through one of the holes. I tied it and I added hot glue, sorry, and I added this bow, and this is pretty much it. I think it's so beautiful, and the original version by Cindy is much better. Thanks so much, Cindy, for the inspiration. But I'm pleased. It's not the best, but I really like it. The other DIY that I made, inspired by another YouTuber, this is from KraftsbyKatelyn. She is another adorable YouTuber. She's so sweet, so creative, and she made this sign, and I love it because it's what I like. You know already, it has 2 sides. She in fact used one side to make one sign and a frame to make the other one, but I decided to use the other side to make the other one. It's my version. It's not exactly what she made, but I love her version and I had to recreate it with what I have in hand. I use this sign from Dollar Tree. I painted the base in gray, and I use a darker gray for this background. Oh, sorry. And I added these sticks, these jumbo sticks from Walmart. This is another stick that I painted in another shade of gray. This gray is the same one, but I used the dry brush to add some white paint to make it look weathered. And I use these flowers, some moss, and this bunny is made of foam, the foam that you get at Dollar Tree. It's really hard to cut the shape. I got this shape on the internet and I just printed it out and used it as a kind of a template. And when you cut the foam, the borders are not neat, so I use a piece. I cut another piece on cardstock, on white cardstock, and I adhered it on top of the foam bunny. I added the pom-pom and the ribbon. I had these letters and I painted. They were, I don't remember, I think they were, I really don't remember the original color, I don't want to lie. So I painted them in white and I traced the borders with a marker. And that's it. And on this side I printed the background paper from internet, and I printed it in the air on the paper, so I didn't have to make any transfer and paint with a marker, nothing like that. The background paper was white with just these gray lines to mimic wood. I distressed the borders, and I added some little marks with a brush in gray, and then I use part of the remaining of the trash can to make this kind of planter. I added the flowers that are from Dollar Tree and some moss. This spring banner was also printed with my computer, with my printer, and I added some foam dots that are also from Dollar Tree. They come already cut in small rectangles, and it gives it like a 3D look that I really like. After finishing those items, I had some pieces remaining from the trash can, and I wanted to put them to good use, as I did it in this case. So one of them was the bottom of the trash can. Sorry, there is moss everywhere. When I looked at it, I thought, oh my god, this could be a wonderful, wonderful piece of decor. So I again printed out this background paper that seems to be a wood piece, and it's not, pretends to be. And then I used our beloved with DIYers always use these candlestick holders. I painted it white. I had already this piece of cardboard, so I used it, and then I adhered the bottom of the trash can to the top, just a few dots of glue gun. I'm still not sure what I'm going to place here. I'm thinking of this. I have this nest that I bought on internet. If you're interested, I can leave the link in the description box, with some, maybe some moss here. I'm still not sure, but something like this. But the fact is that I could use even the bottom of the trash can, and this is a stand that I'm surely going to use for other opportunities, not just for Easter. I don't like throwing anything to the garbage. And then I have a large piece, because it was almost all the side of the trash can, and I did this. I just folded it. I didn't even use anything, just I bent it a little bit inside one of these tips inside of the holes, and here I just bent the borders like so. I added this piece of ribbon that I had with a lace burlap. I had a piece of burlap also, so I decided to place it inside, and some flowers from the Dollar Tree. And I have this other piece of decor, and I use absolutely the whole trash can. I have no leftovers, so I may hang it right from the wall, but I may also place it on a piece of maybe cardboard or wood if I have. I'm still not sure, but I'm so happy that I could put to good use the whole trash can and make some other nice pieces of decor for this upcoming spring that is in the air. So this is all for today. I hope you like these items that I made. Sorry, I want to place all of them in frame, but it's not easy. And thank you so much to Cindy and to Katelyn for the inspiration. Again, visit their channels. You will really like all what you're going to see there. And if you like this, please give me a thumbs up. That helps me a lot. Subscribe if you haven't already. Ring the bell so you will be notified every time I upload a new video, which is usually on Mondays. And thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you in my next one. Have a great day. Bye bye.